2026 begins with a bold step forward, as Season 1 sets the tone for what's next, bringing architectural design, outdoor performance, and commercial reliability together in a focused lineup built to push lighting further. We begin outdoors with the WMC4 CD series, a 4-inch up-and-down cylinder designed for clean architectural applications. With combined light distribution, multiple dimming options, smart control compatibility, and RGBW availability, it delivers flexibility without compromising design. Next, the ERSH series offers a timeless glass wall sconce aesthetic, paired with an efficient LED T-lamp. Available in multiple sizes and configurations, it's a simple, elegant solution for decorative exterior lighting. The HNS series brings customization to the forefront. These made-to-order house number fixtures combine form and function, offering uplight, downlight, or combined illumination with optional braille for accessible, personalized design. For signage and architectural accents, the TSR series delivers rotatable IP6 6-rated tubular sign lighting. Available in multiple lengths and beam spreads, it's built to perform in demanding outdoor environments. Decorative area lighting gets an upgrade with the GPA series, an LED acorn-style luminaire offering selectable wattage and color temperature. When performance meets spectacle, the SFXG 10 series takes center stage. These DMX-controlled RGB stadium lights provide bold color control, powerful output, and compatibility with industry-standard DMX systems. The LCG series introduces a modular approach to architectural light columns. With customizable heights, selectable wattage, and multiple color temperatures, it's designed to adapt to the space, not the other way around. Solar solutions arrive with the SOLB series, a motion-sensing solar bollard complete with remote control delivering efficiency, autonomy, and modern design. For precision control, the BOL G8 series offers a modular bollard system with 4 independently controlled lighting zones, allowing designers to shape light exactly where it's needed. Inside commercial spaces, the LTR-AR series combines lighting and airflow with a passive air return troffer delivering high efficiency, selectable color temperatures, and sensor-ready functionality. The CMC Milan series adds refined style to interiors with 5-inch ceiling-mounted cylinders, offering selectable outputs, premium finishes, and dual dimming compatibility. Built for harsh environments, the CMCW series delivers IP6 5-rated performance with multiple sizes, beam options, and interchangeable optics, ideal for specification-grade applications. Safety and compliance come first with the CRLEFR series, featuring fire-rated recessed fixtures with deep baffle trims, adjustable output, and a wide range of color temperatures. For cost-effective performance, the CRLB series offers builder-friendly recessed lighting with remote drivers, high color rendering, and flexible configuration options. Accent and retail lighting is covered with the TRPK series, complete track lighting kits that include GU10 LED lamps ready to install right out of the box. On the job site, the CLCon series provides durable, linkable temporary construction lighting in both linear and UFO styles built to withstand tough conditions. Supporting fixtures throughout the lineup are the T10 series LED filament lamps, offering modern efficiency in a classic form, and the ST64 series, designed for decorative applications with warm, dimmable glow. Hospitality and residential spaces shine with the RDLT and SDLT series. Round and square canvas recessed lights featuring thin trims, selectable color temperatures, and clean, modern aesthetics. The LCEU series introduces indirect pendant lighting for low-glare environments, blending architectural style with visual comfort. For statement pieces, the LCF26 series offers lamp-ready chandeliers and wall fixtures with adjustable configurations and timeless finishes. The LCFG series adds architectural glow panels to the mix. Available in LED or lamp-ready versions, designed to elevate any interior space. And finally, the DPL series delivers decorative pendant lamps with a warm filament glow, designed to pair seamlessly with Westgate's decorative socket systems. Season 1, 2026. A unified lineup built for flexibility, durability, and impact across every space it touches. Designed to adapt, engineered to perform. That's Westgate. To view the latest product sheet, scan the QR code below or visit westgatemfg.com. Westgate Manufacturing. The future is here, and it's quite bright.